Hey Ricky, how's your day going?
Hi Roma. My day has been good so far. How about yours?
It's been okay, but I feel like I need to practice my English more.
That's a great idea. Consistent practice is really important.
Yes, but sometimes I don't know where to start.
Well, you can start by speaking more in English. Even simple conversations help.
Don't worry. Making mistakes is a part of learning.
I guess you're right. How did you improve your English?
I watched English movies, read books, and practiced with friends.
What kind of books do you recommend for beginners?
Try reading short stories or children's books. They use simple words and sentences.
That sounds good. I will find some books to read.
That's great. Also, listening to English podcasts can help.
Oh, I never tried that. Do you know any good ones?
Yes. You can listen to The English We Speak by BBC. It's very helpful.
I'll check it out. What about improving grammar?
Do you think writing helps too?
Absolutely. Keeping a daily journal in English can improve your writing skills.
That's a nice idea. I'll try writing about my day.
Yes. And I can check it for you if you'd like.
That would be awesome. I appreciate your help.
No problem. Learning together is always better.
By the way, how can I improve my pronunciation?
Try repeating sentences after listening to native speakers. It really works.
Like shadowing. I heard about that technique.
Yes. It's a great way to sound more natural.
That's interesting. I'll start practicing with movie dialogues.
Perfect. Also, speaking slowly and clearly helps.
Sometimes, I forget words while speaking.
That happens to everyone. Try to think in English instead of translating.
That's a bit difficult, but I will try.
You'll get used to it with practice. Just don't rush.
You're really motivating me.
I'm happy to help. Learning a language takes time, but it's worth it.
Yes, I agree. English is useful everywhere.
Exactly. It helps with travel, jobs, and even making new friends.
Have you ever used English while traveling?
Yes. When I traveled to another country, English helped me communicate.
That's amazing. I hope to travel someday too.
You will. And by then, your English will be even better.
I hope so. I just need to stay consistent.
Yes. And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
I'll remember that. Thanks for all the advice, Ricky.
You're welcome, Roma. Let's keep practicing together.
Yes. Let's talk in English every day.
Sounds like a plan. See you tomorrow.
See you.